Dear students, I'm trying my best to make you understand these numericals. And I believe in you that you can do it. Right? So let's have next problem. Here, 2.6. A train starts from rest. From rest means the initial velocity is 0 with an acceleration of 0.5 meter per second scale. So acceleration is there. It means that when it was at rest, then it starts moving and having acceleration 0.5 meter per second scale. Find its speed in kilometers per hour. So you are asked to find final velocity, right? And that velocity will be converted into kilometer per hour, right? Okay. When it has moved through 10 meters. So the distance is 10 meter. Okay. Here we are. So, initial velocity 0, our acceleration is 0.5 meter per second scale, our distance is equal to 10 meters, our final velocity is question mark, we need to find it out. By applying the third equation of motion, 2as is equal to vf square minus vi square. As 2 is there, acceleration is 0.5 meter per second square, right? And s is 100 meter is equal to is there, vf square, we need to find the final velocity, and initial velocity was 0, isn't it? Okay, now you multiply 2 0.5, you will get 1, and when 1 will multiply 100 meter, you will get 100 meters. So this 1 meter and this meter have 1 power, and 1 power, when they will multiply, you will have meter square. There is second square is there, so when this second square will get into the denominator, then it will get also square, right? As we need to find out the final velocity, we need to remove the square. So as you know that the opposite of square is square root. So we will take the square root on both sides of the equation. So when you will take square root here, take square root here, this square root and square is cancelled. We will left with VF. This square will cancel this square will cancel this square, you will have meter per second, right? And when you will take square root of 100, we will get 10. So our final velocity is 10 meter per second, right? But he's asking you are asked to show your final velocity in kilometer per hour. So how you will change your 10 meters into kilometers, and how you will change 1 second into hours. So let's have here. As you know already that 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer, but we don't have 1000 meter. This one relationship we already know that 1000 meter is equal to 1 hour, but if we have 10 meter, isn't it? We have 10 meter. So if we have 10 meters, how many kilometers? We will write this one here divided by this 1000 multiplied by this 10, right? Okay, this 0 is 0 by cancel. Over is 1 divided by 1. It is 1 is there, it is understood, but we do not write here. 1 multiplied by 1 is 1. 100 multiplied with over 1 and then 100. So 10 kilometers is equal to 1 over 100 kilometers. So we have converted 10 meters into kilometers, that is 1 over 100 kilometers. Now the second, 1 second is converted into hours. As we know that if we are having 3600 seconds in 1 hour, isn't it? So if we don't have 31 seconds, we are having only 1 second. When we say meter per second, that per mean 1. So in 1 second, we are having how many hours? Same again as we have done here. That method is, you will write 1 here, you will divide by 36, you will multiply by 1 is there. When you will multiply with 1 will come. Alright, so 1 second is equal to how many hours? 1 over 3600 hour, right? So that is fraction. Now here, so 10 meters per second, here this one is equal to how many hours? So 10 meters, we know how many 10 meters? 1 over 100, 1 over 100 kilometers. Per this one divide is this one per. Divided by this 1 second is equal to, we have calculated here, that is 1 over 3600 hours, right? Now what we do? We will do in the next step that this one divide will be converted into multiply. Upper one fraction we will write the same. when this divide will convert into multiply, the lower one fraction is going to be converted. This one will get into denominator and this denominator will become numerator. Alright, so this 0, both zeros are cancelled, right? So 36 multiplied with 1, 36, right? Okay, and then 1 multiplied with 1 divided by 1. Divided by 1 is there, but we do not write. So our 10 meter per second is converted into 36 kilometer per hour, right? So when this one r will go up with the kilometers, it will get negative power. So 10 meter per second is converted into 36 kilometer per hour. How it is converted, I have explained here. See you in the next problem. Okay, bye.